question is about school. In light of Hurricane Dorian, school days and events are changing, shifting, or being canceled in the wake of the storm. WPTV South County reporter Miranda Christian is live with the latest. Miranda?
And all schools from the Treasure Coast down to Palm Beach County have canceled after-school activities tomorrow afternoon. Now, Palm Beach County will still have after-school aftercare tomorrow afternoon, but all activities are canceled tomorrow. But games have been rescheduled. Football games have been rescheduled for today, including this game at Boca Raton High School that starts at 6:30.
The time is called. We're also working on our shelters.
Superintendent Dr. Donald Fenoy says Palm Beach County schools are watching Hurricane Dorian and will open up shelters when the time comes. Palm Beach County will have school on Friday, but no after-school activities except aftercare. Parent Gary Jordan was out buying last-minute items and says he'll wait to hear if next Tuesday is canceled when the hurricane could still be in the area.
Oh yeah, definitely. Well, once it's coming towards the coast, yeah, definitely.
Martin County schools will run on early dismissal on Friday and will be closed Tuesday, September 3rd. Indian River schools will also have an early release on Friday, and all after-school activities are canceled. As for St. Lucie County, they're also on an early release. Now, for the latest information on all the school districts and any changes, we will have that in our hurricane page on WPTV.com. Reporting live in Boca Raton, I'm Miranda Christian, WPTV News Channel 5.